Yeah, hello everyone. So today is our weekly Q&A session. So second. Yeah, now we have our first first week. So did someone have a problem with previous assignments like a CV Markdown and CSS basic test? Because I can see only 24 people performed CV Markdown. If you had a problem, you can ask right now, like writing in a chat, or just unmute yourself and ask, or write in a Discord channel regarding previous assignments. Okay. So today we will discuss about our weekly assignments. So this week you should perform, so you can see first task is CV, HTML, CSS, and Git basics. What you should do, as you did last week, you should create CV, but right now you should use HTML and CSS. Approach is similar as you did, so you will continue working in your repository which you created. So just you need to create a new branch with like a RESTful CV HTML name based on GitHub pages. So the number of commits should be similar as previous task, not less than 3. If you don't know how to correctly write comments, you should use this documentation. Here, as you can see, like you need use prefix init, like init start your like RESTful task, and then when you add some features like functions, etc., you should use like fit. If something was wrong, like use fix or refactor. If you want to change some functionality in your repository, so in your branch. So let's one. Yeah, you should just create a new branch, then create two files like index.html, then a style CSS, and like add some code like divs. You should use semantics layout. If you don't know what is that, just copy this text and write, and then you will semantics UI, and you will face what is that and how to write it. Like select any websites, like what the semantics, what is the text is semantic text. So all of this information you can find on the internet. So let's get inside in 6 point is inside randomly MT. You should put your link for your GitHub. So create pull request from RESTful CV HTML to GitHub pages, all of the requirements described. So then you should, after you finish it, all of the fields, you need to submit your task. like go to RS app. Yeah, select auto test and select the name of the task to test. Here should CV Markdown. This one should select it and add. And, what I should say here. Yeah, if I'm not mistaken, yeah, already one person performed this task. So if you have a question, just I don't know who already did it, but if you're interested, you can ask him about how he did it. So if I didn't cover all the points in the Discord channel. So, and don't worry about your score, because total score and position will update every day at 4 a.m. So that's why please wait when it will be. Yeah, it's a first step to complete this task. So second part is let me schedule. As you can see, this task which I already mentioned, it's starts today and finish at the 31st of October at midnight. Just this +3, it's regarding on GMT. That's why I say like please finish it at midnight of 31st of October. So next step is, as you can see, you available to put this task to cross-check. So as you can see, cross-check deadline is extra 1 week. So cross-check will be finished at the 7th of
Your mic is gone, Muhammad.
Oh, sorry. I did it all the time, yeah.
Almost 30 seconds.
Oh, sorry. What I say? Uh, like, did you hear how I explained this task?
No.
Oh
Last
my
you
gosh.
mentioned about the you have mentioned about the cross check task after 1 week later than this CV HTML CSS task.
Okay. Sorry, just my bad. Please, if you noticed a similar issue, please ping me, like unmute yourself and say about that. Sorry. Regarding cross-check, sorry. Yeah, let me show here. Second. Task. As you can see, this task, like a markup, like your CV, which you should do in like using HTML and CSS, should be checked by cross-check. So deadline is 7th of November, and you should check 4 students to get your score. As I can see, like 78 people already.
Muhammed, it's again gone.
Oh my gosh. My bad. I don't know why it happened. Maybe it's some problem with my microphone. Sorry. I apologize. Yeah. I said like to get your score by cross-check, you should check for people CV. Yeah, and as I can see, 78 people performed first test like regarding RS app intro, and here already described how pass cross-check. Yeah, so it's here described criteria how to check your colleagues' CV. Please have a look. And the total score is 120 points. Yeah, and this week, explain. Let's summarize what you should do right now regarding CV, HTML, CSS basic test. Maybe something was missed. So firstly, you should implement your CV, like create a repository, create a branch, create index styles files, and add your CV here. Put it in auto test and get first score regarding passing your CV in auto test. Next step is add your next step is you should submit your task for cross.
You are unmuted.
Oh my gosh. You should do it till 31st of October. You should add your link for cross-check. Then you in a fifth week you have a cross-check week where you will check your colleagues' CV. Is it clear for you?
Yeah, it looks clear.
Yeah. A final reminder, like implement CV, pass the auto test, then add a link for cross-check. That's all. And regarding checking, it will be next week, and I will explain it next week. So, and you have a JS basic part test. So annoying to check microphone each time, so sorry. Guess I over. Yeah, this one. It's a similar as you already did, like it's available for you right now, and you can pass it. Did I select auto test? Yeah. Just part 1. As you have 3 attempts, just start to do it. So that's all for this week. Like, do you have a question for me?
If students should check for
You're mute. You started, but
if students should check for tasks from another student's tasks, and will we have enough enough tasks? I mean, maybe some students will give at 7th November, and I'm could could you catch my my question? What I mean, maybe only 10 people make it, you know, in normal time, and
yeah,
that means only
I
two students can check 8 people, and rest.
Yeah, I got it. You should just for your site, you just should do this CV like task and just submit link for cross check.
Yes, it's first, but second task is we should check for 4 tasks. Yeah. And in our group, I noticed that not all students are active. Some students make this task.
I don't know. I don't know. Just I said, but I was mute. Like it's really strange. Maybe it's some issue from Teams. So I said like I got it. What you already said. Don't worry. Just for your site, you need just add your CV link for cross check and check available students. For your site, you just should check it. That's all. Don't worry. Like it can affect your score.
Okay.
Yeah, we have a hand. Yeah, you're mute. Guess it's issue Teams.
Yes, I think.
Yeah, maybe the same issue.
You still mute.
Oh. It's really
Yeah, I can. I see. 1 second. Let me write. Hope that it will be okay right now. We waited a couple of minutes. So, Fatih, go ahead.
okay. As I understand, that's why the cross-check tasks scheduled 1 week later than the actual coding tasks.
Yeah,
Am I
exactly.
right?
Yeah,
Okay.
exactly.
There will be
It's
no problem about non-assigned students on the coding tasks.
yeah, sure.
Okay.
Like we added one extra week for cross check because it's Gule asked a similar thing, like if someone didn't finish it. So that's why we have a criteria. Firstly, you should implement your CV. Then we just use only student who did this task. So that's why you don't have like a CV from student who is not available right now. Okay. Anyone else?
Our HTML and CSS markup should be as a basic markup, or
Yeah.
okay.
Just
Only basics.
yeah, just please check all of criteria like
Okay.
which described.
Mhm.
You can yeah, just open it and just like as you can see, markup should be pass validation like in this website. So just it shouldn't be like pretty good.
Okay, thank you.
Oh, I was still mute. Annoying. Anyone else?
I have a question, Mohammed.
Yeah.
My question is about the tasks. As I know, missing a task is referring for don't submit any efforts to this task. Am I right?
Yeah, exactly.
Or if I failed a task, I mean below 80% success, then but just I have efforted it, so I won't be missed this task. Am I right?
Yeah, for that one, you should just, for example, open it and just for this one, like we have a criteria like it shouldn't be less than, for example, 80%, etc. Like if I'm not mistaken, it's for all of our tests.
Yeah, I know. But for example, I have taken 60 scores, or I did 40 points as a score for my fourth trial. It refers 80% of success, so it will be halved because of the fourth trial. So I will get 40 points. So it will be not considered as missed.
Let me think. Just I will answer it in a description. We're gonna just need to investigate it.
Okay, thank you.
To be clear, yeah.
Yeah, thank you.
So if you don't have a question, so we can close this call. Thank you for everyone. Sorry for this tricky issue regarding microphone. Have a nice evening. Thank you.
Thank you.